Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can delete your Acorns account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Acorns app, and you need to simply type in your email address as well as your password to get logged in into your account. Once you're logged in into your account, all you need to do is simply tap on the profile like icon on the left hand side of the corner, and then you need to now select the settings option. Once you tap on settings, you will end up in this page. So under personal info, select the my subscription. So once you select my subscription, you can find the cancel subscription option. So simply tap on it. After you are done with it, simply hit the continue button. After you do so, you will end up in this page, so you can select any of the options given and you will end up in this page. You need to select a reason and simply hit the next button. Tap on close investment accounts and then tap on continue anyways. Once you do this, you need to give a reason and tell about it. You need to tap on the close accounts again. Once it is done, you need to tap on close accounts and finally tap on the cancel subscription option. Once you do this, you can delete your Acorns account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.